Agony. Extreme pain, either physical, body pain, or emotional, mental suffering. I screamed in agony after falling from the bike. I cried out in agony on the bed. Alms. To money, food, or other help given to poor or needy people. The monk came to me for alms. I gave alms to the poor man. Dwarf. A person, animal, or plant that is much smaller than the usual size. I have recently met a dwarf girl on the road. A dwarf man worked in the market. Grief. Deep sadness or sorrow, especially caused by the death or loss of someone or something important. She tried to hide her grief at his death. She felt no grief when her father passed away. Ignite. To start burning or to make something start burning. Let's ignite the dry leaves. I will ignite the fire with a match. Impudent. Rude, disrespectful, or showing no respect for someone, especially toward elders or authority. I was shocked by her impudent behavior. They gave an impudent each other in front of everyone. Infirm. Weak or frail, especially due to old age or illness. I was infirm after my illness. I live with an infirm old man in this house. Naked. Without clothes or bare or exposed. Your son is naked in the room. I saw him naked in the water. Nip. To bite or pinch lightly. The dog nipped my back on the road. The crab will nip your toe at the beach. Recognize. To identify someone or something because you have seen or met them before. He recognized me at the park. I didn't recognize him in the crowd. Solitary. Alone or without others. A person, place, or thing that is by itself or prefers being alone. I spent a solitary time in the room in the evening. He lives a solitary life at the beach. Stalk. To follow someone secretly or obsessively. He is stalking his ex-girlfriend. My wife stalked me in the park yesterday. Unwind. To relax after working hard or being stressed. We will go to the vacation to unwind after this project. I wanted to unwind on the couch for a bit. Vacate. To leave a place, room, building, or seat, especially so that it can be used by someone else. We vacated this room for the elderly lady. You must vacate the apartment tomorrow. Vow. A serious promise, pledge or commitment. The bride and groom will take vows at the wedding ceremony. We took a vow to quit smoking.